Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will walk you through the automatic EPS silo system installed in our customer's factory, which is divided into 3 groups of 36 silos. Each group is 12 silos. 3 silos correspond to the 1 set of EPS shaping molding machine switching of different density. Each silo is automatically fed and discharged by 2 lever sensors on the top and bottom. There is a bridge at the top between each groups of silo for easy maintenance. The automatic silo system is located on the 2nd floor, and each silo is connected by a DN50 stainless steel pipe to the machine. Using the automatic silo can reduce human errors in aging time and reduce labor intensity. This is pretty much everything for today's video. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will know that we are doing the right thing. See you next video.